Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to add a password to a PDF file without using Adobe Acrobat. So for this we'll use a website called Smallpdf, in which we have this tools option. We'll click it and we'll get a drop down menu. We'll go to the more section where we'll find this protect PDF option. After selecting it, we'll get an option to choose our files. We'll select our files and open it. So right after uploading it, we'll get an option to set our password. We'll confirm it. And there we have our protected file. We'll download this file. So now to open it, it asks for password, without which access cannot be given. So that's how we add password to a PDF file.